Hey guys, welcome to our channel Saroj Art and Creation. In today's video, I can tell you the easiest way how we can draw half moon mandala. Second, we can do one magical trick with the help of pencil only. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon also. Hey guys, before we start, firstly we introduce the equipments which we require to today's mandala art. First, compass, pointer brush, simple lead pencil, mechanical pencil, pointer pen, some colorful pencil, sharpener and ruler. All we draw margin line with the help of ruler with leaving gap 0.4 mm on the four side of paper. Second trick, how to find out the center of the page. First of all, we draw the slanting line. Where the both lines are intersect, that is called the center of our page. Today we draw moon mandala. So first of all, we draw circle of 7.5 cm. We draw a line half radius of the circle. We stretch the line 0.5 mm to outside the circle. After that, now I draw another circle of 5.5 cm. Now from this point I place the protector on that point. After that I draw a circle. So we have now the shape of moon here. After that we erasing all the extra part. Now with the help of pencil, we draw mandala pattern inside the moon shape. First of all, we draw semicircle in the mid part of moon. Now we have 5 semicircle inside the moon shape. Now we fill the basic pattern in the patterns. Now in this semicircle we draw the zigzag lines. In this semicircle I can draw the spiral shapes. After that I draw flower with leaves. In this shape I can draw drops with water. Now with the help of scale, I draw a small line on the both sides of the moon. So we can draw another pattern. Now in this section, I can draw a circle with dot. Now with pointer pen I color all these mandala. Now with the help of pointer pen I fill black color all this mandala. Now with the help of brush pen, we fill the blank area. Today we draw painting in our mandala. So with the help of the compass, we draw full circle. After completing the painting, we can erase the circle. Now with the help of pencil color, we fill it these areas. Now with the help of pencil, we shade all the area. Now with the help of 0.8 mm marker, we draw the sketch of cats. Now with the help of eraser, we just merge all the pencils. As you see, my video is finished. If you like my video, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also, so you never miss any update on my channel. Thank you.